Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb. Guys, this morning I want to talk about a little job opportunity. You could make up to $90 an hour according to the employer. You know, I've recently started adding some more videos to my channel that are related to making income, more money, or saving money, or being frugal. I think in the very near future we're going to have a lot more difficulty with economic times. And I have had it for a long time, a little playlist on my channel on personal finance, saving money, and I'm starting adding new videos to this channel. I'm not changing what I'm doing on my channel, I'm just adding to it. So today we're going to be going over a job opportunity for a lot of people to make extra money. And I got this idea from a person named JT Hustelz. This is his channel. He interviewed somebody who makes money working for helloTech. I want to give a shout out to JT Hustelz. I recommend people check out his channel. If they subscribe, tell him Robb sent you. Say hello. He's got a lot of good videos on sort of under the radar jobs. People can start, be their own boss on different things that most people don't realize are out there. And I think he is really a good asset to the community on YouTube, giving people a lot of helpful information on how they can make money in difficult economic times. So let's get started with helloTech. This fella works for helloTech as a contractor. He gets hired by helloTech to go to people's houses and do different things. And he said a lot of the things that you do for helloTech, you could learn from watching videos on YouTube. They do TV mounting, security cam installation, computer support, which could be, you might need to know more than what you learn from YouTube. Video doorbell installation, smart thermostat. Some of these things are basically you're just putting double-sided tape on the wall and sticking things. Some of them can be more difficult, but you know, this isn't rocket science here. Just about everybody can learn these things. And the company says you can earn up to $90 an hour now. What this is, they will send you a job on your phone, and you get to accept it or decline it. It's sort of like Uber for internet technology people, or people who are handy with their hands and they do household repair items, things like that. Now you get to set your own schedule. You get paid weekly. Also, if you get out to a job site and you can't do the work, they have a deal where you can contact an expert on your phone and get some support. Also, you can decline it and have somebody else come do the job. So you do have to compete with other people, because when they send you the job, you only have seconds to decide whether you want it or not before somebody else might get it. And sometimes, if you don't have a lot of experience with the company, you may not get the best jobs. You may get stuff that's 30 miles away, you know, out in the boonies. But this was something I wasn't aware of, helloTech. And if you know how to do simple jobs, these are some of the prices they're charging the consumers. So I don't know how much you get paid for doing them, but it gives you an idea what the company's charging the customers, because this is what they charge people when they hire the helloTech technicians to come out. So I thought this was pretty interesting. You don't need to be an internet genius to install television mounts on the wall. I've done it. Some of these things, like I said, are very simple installations. You can, like the guy JT interviewed, he said one job he spent 10 minutes installing it and 20 minutes explaining it to the customers, because he didn't want them to feel cheated where it only took 10 minutes. So he made it to 30 minutes. But you get paid by the job. He was just trying to be nice. But so I thought that was kind of helpful, guys. So you might want to check out helloTech. I'll leave links to it in the video description, along with the page where you can sign up. Also, they have insurance in case something happens, so you don't have to worry about that. So I hope that was something helpful to you guys. I put on new stuff every week. Been doing it for 13, 14 years. Got over 900 videos. A bunch of cool people I feature on my channel. No relation to me, down at the very bottom. And they deny it anyway. And this is stuff I normally do. Reviews, do-it-yourself, outdoors, food, fishing. But I thought I would start focusing a little bit more on stuff where you can make money or save money, because I think we might be having some more difficult times in the future. And that's the video for this week, guys. Hope you all come back and check out JT Hustelz and check out my playlist. All right, guys. Take care and see you out there.